Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back here at the Glute Lab, my favorite place. And today we're gonna be doing some dynamic stretching. So if you don't know what that is stretching in movement, having some dynamic to it, you know? And the reason why we do that is because it's less likely to cause injury when you weight lift after, because you're not keeping the muscle in one position. Like for instance, this is a static stretch and I'm holding it for a long time compared to a dynamic stretch where I'm going like this, back and forth, see? So I'm gonna show you a whole routine of dynamic stretches so you can get ready for the gym.
I feel at home.
So starting with something super simple, I actually learned this in elementary school. I'm sure a lot of you guys did too. Cherry pickers. You put your legs out to shoulder width apart, reach down and go as far as you can, and then in between your legs and then behind your legs. In front of you, between the legs, behind the legs. Get that really good hamstring stretch. Put ourselves into a lunge, and then we're back on that heel and get a hamstring stretch, going back and forth pretty quickly. Okay, this next one is a wide lateral lunge, and you're just gonna go down one side to the other. This one, I just call it the swinging leg, since that's all it is. You're swinging your leg out in front and behind you. This one, you're gonna hike your leg up in front of you and pull that hip out to the side. And I like to hold on to something for support, but you don't have to if you have the balance for it. I don't. And then this one is, I don't really know what you call this one, honestly. Hip opener. You just put your hands in between you, open up into a prayer, just like so. And you don't hold it too long in that position, just open and close. And as you get more advanced, you can move your elbows closer in towards your thighs, and it just pushes them out a little bit more. Okay, and then this one is a really great glute stretch. So basically you're gonna lay down, cross your leg in front of your thigh, and then you're gonna pull this thigh towards you. Okay, and this last one is gonna be for your quads. So you're basically gonna get down into that lunge position, but you're gonna reach back and grab your toes, and then you lean forward and a pull. Whew. Okay guys, that concludes today's video. Save it and try it out before a workout, and I promise it'll make your workout feel so much better. You just feel so limber, you know, like you could do anything. So try it out, like, comment, and subscribe.